pickup. 620. Casey still hasn't started his. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a Datsun. We are looking for something to kind of fix up and more than likely flip and put back into everything else. So, or if it goes well, keep flipping things and go that route, and still put stuff back into other places. But
you should probably talk a little bit louder. I don't know if they can hear you.
Give you a quick rundown. We're looking at picking up a Project Datsun mini truck 620 1977. We are looking to flip this mother trucker and put it back into the channel and into other projects. This guy and or another flip. Yeah, if it goes well, another flip. So stay tuned. And for those of you wondering, yes, he can see over the hood. We did have to put a phone book down for him, but we made it work. This truck is a little large for my britches. So I'd like to preface one thing real quick before we get on with the video. The weird chop that's about to happen, I didn't want to film while we were there picking up the truck. Obviously to respect the previous owner and his privacy. So that's why there's this weird nothing. Enjoy the video. Hey dude, what are you doing?
You gonna water the lawn?
Well
guys, we got a project, a new project. She is in less than ideal condition, so we're gonna have to get to work on her and make her look a lot prettier than she is. She has no motor, but Austin found out that it is not seized. She has no motor in it, sorry. She has no motor inside.
a what?
But it did come with a motor.
A plane? Say bye. Okay, back to you.
It came with all this stuff, all right? It came with all this fun stuff.
So we have a head right here.
Yeah.
We got a block. We got a couple other things,
And
but
spins somehow.
it does spin. You're not gonna be able to do it by hand. Yep. And it is going to need a lot, but hey, we are no strangers to that, especially with Datsuns. Typical Datsun stuff. Floors are bad. The floors are pretty bad. That's the carpet that was on the floor. Gross. And
the carpet that was on the seat.
that was wrapping the seat. So yeah, absolutely terrible. New door cards, new floors, new a lot of stuff. So this side of the truck is the better side as far as the bed goes. There is one big dent right there and then a couple small rust holes. If we come back to the other side, what are you doing? You stinker. What are you doing? This side is worse for wear. It's been beat pretty bad. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up.
That's true.
But those cab corners or bed corners are pretty common on these trucks.
Yeah, this one's
To have big dents in them. And then yeah, we'll probably have to find, hopefully somebody has a bed. If not, we'll have to try and find somebody selling at least the passenger side, which would be ideal. The plan right now is to use the L20. It's a
if we can get it to work.
yeah, if we can get it to work, if it's not too far gone. And then, I mean, the engine bay is surprisingly clean. So here's the engineless bay. Not a whole lot going on in here. That's one good thing about carbureted vehicles. But it does have pretty much everything we need to get it to work. So this should be pretty straightforward. I'm a little familiar with the carb setups, mostly just from the 240Zs I've had in the past. So They should be very familiar. And I would like to say the goal here is to be under 10,000, not including the price of the truck. We paid $400 for the truck, so 10.4. That's a copy.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
$400. She needs a lot of love though, so.
Yeah. Worst comes to worst, he gave us some free glass with the truck. That's in and of itself. If we had to, we could make up the price of the truck and then just part the rest of this out. But.
And a Civic exhaust?
Yes. Yeah, there is a Civic exhaust and a Dodge grill in the trunk. So.
It doesn't have a trunk.
In the truck bed. Sorry.
It's a car.
It's
not a car.
I haven't done a truck before, so new experiences. But that is the plan. Plan is L20, under $10,000. What?
I found a penny.
Oh.
It's stuck in here. Oh. I got it.
Nope. We are now $399.99 into the truck.
No, Casey found a nickel.
A quarter. It's a quarter.
I thought it was a nickel.
Pretty
It's
sure.
5 cents.
Okay, then we're
6 cents.
$399.94. So that's the plan with the truck. Keep the L20 if we can. If not, then we'll go from there. New bed, new floors, and then we got to find everything for the interior. Oh, one thing, dude, looks like he bought some eBay coilovers and just decided that they were gonna fit, and they're not welded, they're not bolted, they just sit there. So we got to address that, but not that big of a problem. Yeah, she's rough, but give it 6 months and she won't be so rough.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
6 months, guys. You heard him. 6 months.
We'll say by
This
May of next year.
That's a year. That's almost a year.
That's 10 months.
That's not 6 months.
That's not 6 months, but it won't be rough by 6 months, but we'll be close to done by May. That is the goal. You have anything you'd like to add, Missy? Just cheesing?
Tell him what you think.
Paisley loves the sprinklers
And to water the lawn.
and the water, just period. So that's her thing. Well, guys, that's pretty much all we have for today's video. Not too exciting this time around, but just a little project update, channel update. We do have some arcade stuff coming out here soon, and a little bit of an S2K update. So stay tuned for that. If you guys haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next time.